Lina, look at the sky, so clear. I think the sky likes it when you look at it. You always stare at it, like it's telling something. Today's story is all about Smart Fox who is still a pie. Sounds fun.
Tag, you're it.
Hey, not per, I wasn't ready.
Last one to the statue is a white banana.
Balloons. Colors brighter than a dream.
I want the biggest one.
Do you have one that looks like a dog?
No, I don't. I only have red and pink. Do you like pink?
Yes.
That one, you like it? One red balloon, please.
Great choice. This one loves the sky. It won't sit still for long.
Yes, like her.
Take care of it, young lady. This one loves to dance.
There's the smile I love. Is that the same balloon all in the picture? I guess you really like red balloon. Oh, the wind's acting wild. Maybe we should go home soon. Be careful, Lina. Hold it tight. Lina, your balloon! Hey guys, look! What she's doing? She's chasing balloon!
Go, girl, go!
Go, girl, go! Go, girl, go! Wait, be careful! Oh, my little daughter, I know it hurts, but you don't need to talk. I'm right here.
Poor girl, that balloon was meant a lot to her.
Well, would you look at that? The sky always remembers. Don't stop looking up. That's my Lina. Funny how one little balloon can change whole time. Huh? No balloons today? Maybe he's off on an adventure. an adventure? Are you sure?
Are you following it too? Mine came with a picture of a cloud, and the world chased the word. I guess the sky is sending us a message.
Seems like this is more than just a balloon.
Welcome, little dreamers. You follow the wind, listen to the sky. Now it's your turn. Write a wish and tie it to your balloon and let it.
Ready? Do you miss it? You know, I think it is still with you, in here. Where the sky touches the horizon.
You came. I was hoping you would. Oh, this place. It's where the balloon carries the wishes that haven't been spoken yet.
But how did you know she would find it?
Because some people speaks with their hearts, not in their mouths, and the sky listens to their hearts. This string belongs to someone who doesn't speak but dreams louder than a cloud.
Lina, you spoke?
Thank you.
There it is, not just a voice, but a wish fulfilled.
I love you.
I love you too, my daughter.
Start! Magtabi na, thank you. Sige pa, thank you.
I love you too, my daughter.
Three, two.
Sabi nila, kapag in love ka, tumitigil ang mundo mo. I never believed in love. I was deceived.
Oh my God! Wow!
bada ka, mura na magikasal.
Kagmanay, kikalibangon na kayo ko dahil pagdalit doy. Kalibangon na kayo ko.
Ay, mana. Pan.
Malingi na pagi doy.
Balik mo.
Uy.
Now, husband. Now, husband.
Talo. Sorry.